Hey everyone, my name's Adam Garland. Today we're backstage at ASAI Spring Summer 2024. Today we're working with a really great texture. We wanted to not end up in a world of disco or frizz that maybe you've seen before. So we started with our amplified mousse, roots to ends. Adding a little bit of salt spray to add a little bit more texture, start to give it a little bit more heaviness. We didn't want it to be too floaty and flow away. We then backcombed each section after we power dried it in. Worked with a flat iron from roots to end and then brushed it out to create this amazing texture. I then got in with our hand and hair cream just to make it, I don't know, a little bit more lived in, a little bit more tougher, something a little bit more different.